I wanted to sleep in today, but I was awoken by a big X-class flare. That is probably Earth directed, which means this energy will get here around the 6th, and we are still watching the 6th through the 11th for a possible hurricane to hit Florida. And here's the no bullshit asteroid fight club adult talk. Even if it's not a hurricane, it's going to bring hurricane like impacts. Reed Timmer forecast models are predicting a major rainmaker next week from Tampa to Fort Myers to Miami to Jupiter. The latest GFS has Tampa getting smacked by double-digit tropical rainfall. This would cause more major flooding for already hard-hit areas from Helene. Although it would be a lot souther from the super mega massive impacts, but a lot of areas got hit super duper hard regardless in Florida. I took the day off yesterday from making videos, and I didn't even want to make this video today because the energy is still bad, in my opinion. Yesterday we had the Ring of Fire solar eclipse. It'd be like on the Easter Islands to see it. But I want to remind y'all, we have a rule at Thor News, and have had it for about 10 years. About 5 days after any eclipse, and especially solar eclipses, we watch out for a major storm or a hurricane. And in my opinion, it takes the models some time to readjust, recalibrate in a post-eclipse energy situation. With that in mind, I would like to show y'all how weird these models are. This was the latest one, the 06Z from today, when it shows, watch the low kind of hangs out in the Gulf for a long time. See how it just kind of hangs there, but rain just continues to pour over Florida for days on days on days, and the low just kind of hangs out right there. See that? That is just crazy, insane, nuts. What is going on? And then, if you want to head north, although we'll do it. Now let's head north and watch how Europe is about to get hit by wave after wave after wave of huge storms. We're talking, look at that, 940. That is like category 3 cyclone strength hitting Europe. That is nuts. So you've got the low that just kind of hangs out, loiters for days down in the Gulf, and then you've got major, massive hurricane-like strength storms hitting Europe. So no matter what, buckle up. October is going to be a crazy month. And then to throw all on top of it, Jupiter goes retrograde around the 9th or the 10th. So yeah, I'd recommend definitely for the first 2 weeks of October, you stay on high alert for hurricane season. Nothing can happen, and then you can get mad at me. But it's best to be prepared for the worst and pray for the best. You know what I'm saying? All right. Now let's watch the 00Z from the GFS for our weird weather situation, and like concentrate on the Gulf and watch how that low just kind of hangs out in the Gulf for days. See it? It's just loitering. What are you doing? Are you drunk? Are you on drugs? See how it just pours rain and goes nowhere? And then it still has the like giant cyclone type things moving into Europe. And they always say that, like, oh, hurricanes are mostly caused by the hot water. Well, then water's not that hot up here. So how are you getting in category 4 cyclone hitting Europe? That don't make no dang sense. Weird, man. And this X Class 9 solar flare is the largest solar flare of solar cycle 25, and it will most likely have an Earth directed component. So, like I said, buckle up, y'all. It's about to get crazy, and it's been crazy. So, stay cool, and I will talk to y'all in the near future. God bless everyone.